Click on the link below to get discount. Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into a review of the GREATWORK dual motor electric bike. Let me tell you, this bike is a powerhouse that's sure to catch your attention if you're on the lookout for adventure and performance. So, let's kick things off by discussing the specs. The GREATWORK comes equipped with a robust 1300 Wh battery, which translates to an impressive range of up to 100 miles on a single charge. Just take a moment to picture this. You're out on the open road, wind in your hair, and not a worry in the world about running out of battery mid-ride. That freedom is what every cyclist dreams of, right? Now, let's take a closer look at the design. This bike features 26-inch by 4.0 fat tires, which provide incredible stability and grip across various terrains. So whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling rugged trails, these tires are designed to deliver a smooth ride. And let's not forget about the advanced suspension system. This bike glides over bumps as if they weren't even there. Have you ever hit a pothole or a bump on a bike and felt that jarring shock? With the GREATWORK, you can leave that discomfort behind. Now, let's talk performance, because this bike truly shines in that department. It can reach exhilarating speeds of 40 to 45 miles per hour. That's right, thrill seekers. Whether you're racing against the clock or just enjoying a spirited ride, this bike has the speed to get your heart racing. The dual motors provide an incredible boost, helping you tackle hills with ease. Imagine effortlessly zooming up steep inclines while others are left panting. It's an exhilarating experience that can redefine how you view biking. But comfort is key, isn't it? And GREATWORK nails it on that front. The seating position is ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue, which means you can embark on long rides without feeling sore. The handlebars are crafted for a natural grip. This thoughtful design ensures easy control and makes each journey not only enjoyable, but also safe. And there's more. The bike features a 7-speed gearing system that allows for smooth and effortless speed transitions. Say goodbye to the hassle of shifting gears. Plus, you can ride with confidence knowing that safety is a top priority. With built-in turn signals and reliable dual disc brakes, you'll feel secure whether you're weaving through traffic or navigating tricky trails. Speaking of battery life, it's just as impressive as the other features. The GREATWORK holds its charge exceptionally well and recharges quickly, which has left many riders raving about their worry-free exploration. They've shared experiences of confidently riding long distances, knowing that power is there when they need it most. And let's not underestimate those dual disc brakes, providing outstanding stopping power for ultimate peace of mind on any ride. Now, how does the GREATWORK compare to other bikes on the market? It really stands out with its unique combination of power, range, and build quality. Users have praised its performance, with many noting how it elevates their biking experience. However, some have mentioned that its weight could pose a challenge for transport, especially if you plan on taking it on road trips. That's definitely something to consider if you're planning on loading it up for an adventure. So, to wrap it all up, the GREATWORK dual motor electric bike offers remarkable power, an incredible range, and a supremely comfortable riding experience. Just keep in mind that weight factor if you find yourself frequently transporting it. Now, here's a thought. Are you considering adding this e-bike to your collection? We highly recommend giving it a shot, and we'd love to hear your thoughts or personal experiences with the GREATWORK bike. Have you had the chance to ride one? What was your experience like? Drop us a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy riding. We can't wait to hear about your adventures on the road. Until next time, keep pedaling forward. Click on the link below to get discount.